Alright, you guys, we're going to jump straight into this video. So this is how my hair is looking before I wash my hair. I am currently 4 months locked. I will be 5 months on July 21st. The products that I use to wash and condition my hair, the links for those will be down in the description box. And the big reveal, I got inches, y'all. Like, my hair is really growing. So this is how it looks, of course, after I washed, dried. Well, not dry, but y'all know what I mean. After I washed and towel dried it. And then I do what I normally do, go in with my OG Jamaican black castor oil to oil my scalp. And then I massage it. Okay, so as you saw, this was my by the title, this is my very first like style of my locks. I don't see myself doing a style for like a long I don't say a long time, but it's gonna be a minute until I do another style, only because it's so time consuming. Oh my gosh, you guys don't understand. It's so time consuming. I hit a struggle bus point in trying to do my hair, and you guys will see that in a little bit. So moving forward, I think I'm just gonna stick with like the standard retwist and then maybe do like the style when I'm feeling it. But no, like no, like seriously, no. Twisting it itself, that part did not bother me because like I mentioned in Elijah's video, it's like doing Senegalese twist and Marty twist, which I've done to my hair countless of times. I've done it to clients' hair before, so that I don't have a problem with that, right? I know how to do that, but it's just it's time consuming because it's time consuming. It's cute though, but it's time consuming. I just want to do it and just be done. You guys, so this section, I noticed some of my pieces started, like I have like loose strands of hair. That's hopefully, let me see, am I on the camera? Let me see, I gotta turn. Okay, so like over here, it's like, let me just turn completely around. This piece right here, I gotta hide the, I don't know, it's kind of hard to see. But like this piece here is like completely out. And like so is this piece, more so this strand. So I just gotta do like a lot of wrapping and yeah. So bear with me. And that's where my struggle bus started. So remember when I told you guys, like in the middle of my hair, it's a little coarser than the rest of my hair. And so, which made it for me harder to find my partings, or just like the locks itself. You're gonna get like your hair is gonna marry together, all right? It's standard. I don't care what phase you're in on your locks, how long you've had them, the texture of your hair, the method that you use. Your hair is going to start to like intertwine together. Um, yeah, it doesn't even like if you don't wash them because like I went this time a couple weeks without washing my hair. So this is my first time washing my hair since like my first retwist. I was trying something different. They still marry together. If you wash your hair and then you turn around and wash it, like your hair is going to marry together. So that's just something you just have to get used to with locks, but it's definitely a struggle bus when you are trying to retwist your hair. All right, so as we come to an end of this video, I just want to say I personally did not care too much for my hair when it was done. Um, I don't know. I think it was like a combination of, since my hair is like short in some areas, which makes it not even. That's why I didn't care too much for it. And to me it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, like, no. So I will insert some pictures at the end. I just have like a few pictures at the end, and you know what, I really did not take a lot of pictures this time go around of my hair for that very reason, because I didn't like it. Looking back on it, I kind of regret it. We need those what's the word, like progression type of photos. But yeah, this is one progression I really did not care to see, because I personally, I just don't think it was cute. But yeah, so I will be doing a takedown slash like twist out video. So make sure you guys want to look out for that. And the only way you will know if it was posted is if you are subscribed and you turn on your post notification bell. That's how you will know. Or if you just stalk my channel, like, you can find it that way too. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you, or I guess y'all will see me in the next video. Bye.
Will you subscribe to our channel?